Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to convert or swap your Bitcoin to Solana on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on coinbase.com and after that you will arrive at this homepage. For now we will click on My Assets. After that you will have an overview from your crypto wallet. Now you can click on Bitcoin because we would like to convert that to Solana. Click on it and now you will have an overview about the pricing of the Bitcoin. You get three options. You can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin, or you can convert it. Click on convert. After that, you can simply fill in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to convert. And now you can see we are converting from Bitcoin to Ethereum, but we would like to convert it to Solana. So click on Ethereum and after that you can select Solana in the list to convert it to. Now you have selected Solana. After that, you can click on Preview Convert. After that, this overview will be opened. Now you can see some information about the Coinbase fee which we are paying and the amount of Solana we will receive. So, hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.